This spot on Forest Park Avenue in Midtown St. Louis, at least indirectly, became the center of America's abortion debate Friday. It is home to Missouri's only abortion clinic, and when the Missouri House passed one of the nation's most restrictive pieces of anti-abortion legislation, their sights were clearly set right here. Kawana Shannon is the director of surgical services for Planned Parenthood St. Louis.
Heartbreaking, of course, but expected it to pass. But I do think it's a disservice to women.
While court fights will almost certainly take months, if not years, Shannon says patients are already confused.
So right now, we're getting tons of phone calls. Patients want to know, are we still open? Can they still get their abortions now? Absolutely. Nothing changes at this moment. But when it does, it's going to cause women to have to make some very hard decisions immediately for their life that they would have had time to make decisions for.
The smattering of demonstrators regularly outside St. Louis's Planned Parenthood support that change, and so do the majority of lawmakers in Jefferson City. There is a passionate belief that lives are being taken when abortions are performed among this group. The legislation would ban abortions after 8 weeks of pregnancy and slap a 15-year prison sentence on doctors who perform them. Governor Mike Parson supports the move, telling a pro-life rally recently, quote, "Until the day that we no longer have abortions in this country, I will never waver in the fight for life."
For whatever bill that they pass, we have people on the front lines that are fighting constantly to make sure that the power goes back to the patient.
What is your message to Governor Parson today?
Sign away. It's not going to stop our fight.